Hi everyone, I am currently reading a very nice book by Ashley, and she's actually sharing a little bit about massages. And I've been touched by one part where she explains that we are made to be touched. Touch is used to bring circulation into our bodies. From being born, soothing the baby, you touch the baby, they fall, you touch them and rub them, which is the main part of the massage, the rubbing, the touching, which brings about blood circulation, and it helps with pain relief, brain function and health, emotional well-being. It gives bonding time, especially for couples. You get a better night's sleep, skin health, immune system, hormones, and muscle health. And I've had a lot of thinking around massage, and I've actually been thinking massage should be made to be part of healthcare. And from where I come from, I've actually realized that massage is not something that is highly recognized. And through my learning and knowledge, I've come to realize that it forms a very big part of our health, and it should be something that we do regularly. And yeah, I just thought I should share something that we look at lightly, or we take for granted, that touch is a very important part of our well-being. Well, that's all for today. I just felt like sharing that small part of the massage, and I hope you enjoyed it and you did take something out of it. So, yeah, touch more, hold hands more, love more. Thank you.